Okay everyone, this is an urgent update that you cannot afford to miss. Amazon KDP is making some significant changes to the royalty rates starting from the 10th of June. So if you sell paperback or hardcover books under a specific price point, your earnings may be impacted. So let's dive into the detail on what you need to do. Oh, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Claire, this is Mrs. D. I have been self-publishing for over 2 years now, and I am on my way to publishing close to 150 books now. So I love sharing with you what I've learned. So basically, effective of the 10th of June, Amazon is reducing their royalty rates for paperback and hardback books below certain thresholds. So for example, in the US, books priced under $9.99 will see their royalties drop from 60 to 50%. This change aims to address increasing operational costs whilst maintaining service quality, is the apparent line. The new royalty thresholds vary by marketplace due to currency differences. So when you're going in and adjusting your books, that is going to be an action from today's video, by the way, you need to make sure that you go in on every single marketplace. So for .com, 50% royalty for books priced at $9.98 or 60% for $9.99 or above. For .co.uk, it's 50% for $7.98 or 60% for $7.99. I think I might have just said dollars, but that was GDP, pounds. Canadian dollars, 50% for $13.98 and 60 for $13.99 and up. Australian dollars, 50% for books priced $13.98 and below, or 60% for $13.99 and above. For Europe, it's €9.98 or less for 50%, or €9.99 for 60%. So, is it really an issue? Does it really matter to you? Well, this change does affect your royalties and minimum list prices. So, for example, a 300-page paperback currently priced at $8 would have previously earned around 33 cents per sale. Post-change, it will earn nothing due to its increased minimum list price requirement. To earn nothing, so you're going to need to adjust your book and prices accordingly. So what exactly can you do about it? You can't do anything in terms of with Amazon. I think the decision's been made and that's it. But what you can actually do right now is go through your Amazon listings and review all of your book prices. Check if your books are priced below the new thresholds. Use KDP's printing costs and royalty calculators. This tool helps you determine new minimum list prices and potential royalties. And I'll post a link to that down in the description and pin comments. So update your prices, adjust your book prices to meet the new minimums before June the 10th. Don't wait till the day, and make sure that you're monitoring your bookshelf. So look for notifications about affected titles and download the list of impacted books, and then you can go through that line by line and make those changes. Some other changes, and I mean this is possibly quite a positive one for those of you that do your children's books or colour printing. KDP is actually going to be reducing the cost of colour printing in paperbacks in certain marketplaces. I think this reduction will encourage more people to go down the colour printing route as well. So in summary, to maintain your royalties, this is what you need to be doing right now. You need to review and adjust your book prices before June the 10th. You need to utilise your KDP tools to understand the impact on your earnings. And make sure that you're staying informed about any changes in the printing costs that could actually benefit you. And I think something else to really bear in mind is that Amazon KDP is not the be all and end all. It is probably the most talked about platform because it's Amazon. But there are other companies out there like Ingram Sparks, Lulu, and that's just Barnes and Noble. There's so many different ones. So you're not necessarily tied into Amazon. You can always look to move on. And now is probably a really good time to just have a little look and see what you think. But yes, I really hope this video was useful. It's always quite shocking when there's changes, and I think it will make some people really think about KDP and why they're doing it. But ultimately, I think if you get your prices set right, you can still make a really good income from Amazon KDP. Anyway, that's enough waffle from me for today. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you. Bye.